Om Swastiastu. My name is Niputu Selena Fenicia and I'm number 4 with student number 21107060 and I'm from MDKC semester 1.
In this video, I will show you the 6 cleaning technique. The first one is dusting. The term definition is to clean dust on low and high surfaces. The cleaning equipment needed, soft cloth. The cleaning object in this technique is furniture. The working procedure, the first one, cover furniture if necessary. The second, dust all surfaces, top down or from the farthest end and move backward. For the required clean line standard is the surfaces are free from dust. The second technique is damp dusting. Term definition is to clean dirt on low and high surfaces. The cleaning equipment needed in this technique is cotton cloth, bucket, and for the chemical we need MPC or multi-purpose cleaner. And for the cleaning object are furnitures. For the working procedure, the first one, fill in the bucket with water and chemical. And after that, dip the cotton cloth into the water and after that rinse it. And then rub the surfaces top down or from the farthest and move backward. And for the required clean line standard in this technique is the surfaces free from dust and dirt. The third technique is floor dusting. Term definition, dry dust the floor by using dry mop or floor duster. The cleaning equipment needed in this technique is lobby duster and its stick. And for the chemical we need Cone Air dust. And for the object is floors. And the working procedure, the first one, spray the lobby duster with Cone Air dust and let it dry first. After that, floor dust the floor with 8 strokes and make sure it overlaps one another. And the required clean line standard in this technique are the surfaces free from dust, sand, and dirt. And the fourth technique is sweeping. Term definition, to sweep dust, sand, or litter on the floor. The cleaning equipment needed is floor broom and dustpan. The cleaning objects are to remove dust, sand, or litter on the floor. For the working procedure, sweep the floor moving to the direction of the wind and start from the farthest and move backward. And after all the rubbish gathered, collect all the rubbish by using dustpan. The required clean line standard in this technique are the floor free from dust, sand, and litters. The fifth technique is mopping. Term definition, mop is a bundle of thread used to mop the floor. To mop means to remove dirt on the floor. Cleaning equipment needed are mop, mop stick, mop trolley, mop rigger, mop bucket, and also warning sign. For the chemical we need floor cleaner or MPC. For the cleaning object are to remove dust, sand, dirt on the floors. For the working procedure, the first one, check the surfaces to make sure the cleaning has no detrimental effect. After that, fill in the red bucket with water and chemical, and then the blue bucket with water only for rinsing. Before you start to mopping, you have to put the warning sign in the place where will you start to mopping. And for the working procedure in this technique are the first one, dip the mop in solution bucket and squeeze it. After that, mop the floor in 8 strokes and make sure it overlaps one another. Rinse the mop immediately once it gets dirty. After that, dip the mop in solution bucket and squeeze it again. Mop the floor again in 8 strokes and make sure it overlaps one another. Repeat the sequence as needed and after that let the floor dry. The required clean line standard are the floor free from dust and also water puddles. And the last technique is glass whipping. Term definition: to whip or wash the glass surfaces. The cleaning equipment needed: cotton cloth, glass squeeze, and also spray gun. For the cleaning chemical needed is glass cleaner. For the cleaning object are glass surfaces. For the working procedure, the first one, spray the glass on the upper side. After that, whip the glass in straight stroke and overlap one another. And after that, don't forget to dry the bottom of the window by using cotton cloth. For the required clean line standard in this technique, all the surfaces are free from dust, dirt, finger, or newsprint.